Hi everyone, I am Devoshmita from Two Busy Moms. In our channel, we make all the club diapering related videos. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button and follow us on our social media. In today's video, I'll be talking about the club diapers that I have from Gullu Baby Handmaids. Here I have a medium size trainer and here's a one size stay dry fitted diaper. Let's talk about the fitted diaper first. This is a really nice and generously sized fitted diaper, and as I said, this is a one size and it has the Indian snaps which are working just fine for us. We have been using it for almost 8 months now and no wear and tear on the snaps or any of the outer layer. This is working really nice for us. And you can hear the snaps, they're really nice. As you can see, this is the stay dry, so the stay dry holds the minimum stains, so there is almost no stain in there. And I just like to fold that for the boys in the front to give them more absorbency right there. But like if you see the inserts, like there is literally no wear and tear, and I have been using it almost every other day. There might be like minimum holes in there, which is like, you know, it's very normal with anything that is made out of cotton, but otherwise like it's still like condition is almost like new. There is this elastic which are just fine, no relaxing of the elastic or anything. Absorbency wise, it works just fine for my 1-year-old and he's wearing it during the daytime. For nighttime it gets very soaked, so not my favorite one for nighttime. But remember, if you have the stay dry liner or the inner, you are losing one layer for stay dry which is not absorbent. So instead, if you're getting something with the cotton layer, that will be more absorbent. Their shell is nice and big, as you can see, like generously sized, but what I feel like is the insert is really trimmed according to the shell. I mean, I would have loved a little wider insert with this instead of this. I mean, this works fine, but I feel like the quality of the shell deserves a bigger insert, and that will, you know, work a lot better than what they have. But this works fine for the daytime, no issues at all. For nighttime, I just add more hem boosters underneath here because I still want the baby to feel like the dry, and then put it on them with a fleece soaker. Here I have a all cotton trainer and this is a size medium. So the size medium, when I got it, my baby was like 7 months old, the little one, and then it didn't really fit him that well because he was around like 7 kgs or even less than that. His legs were still fitting fine, but like the waist looked like he need more snap here to make the waist smaller. But it did fit my 3-year-old. It was a little smaller on him, but it still worked on the baby who was almost 14 kgs at that point. It holds 2p, no problem at all, and it contains the poop pretty well because of the elastics are pretty nice. But then one thing happened, like after washing it couple times, it started giving me holes near the stitches. So I'm not sure why it happened. Also, I have a tearing somewhere out here because like from the stitch the cotton came off. I mean, I have no idea why it happened. It could be because my 3-year-old was wearing it and it was like probably a little snug on him. That could be the reason this got tear. I'm not sure, but this does not like affect the absorbency or functionality of this diaper. So this still works just fine, and this is one of our favorite diaper free time diaper. The cons to this diaper is the diaper have the like layers here stitched in, so it holds 1 to 2p, no problem, but it takes very long time to dry. And this have a hidden puel like right here where the soaker is stitched in. Underneath it has the hidden puel. So what happens is like it takes very long time to dry. When I'm putting it to dry like this, the underneath doesn't get dry that well because of the puel, so I'll have to put it to dry like this for a day and then for like this for like half a day. Otherwise, this is just like one of our favorite diaper. But like if I'm getting it for a younger baby, I would like to get more snaps like on this 2 sides. I think that will, you know, help a smaller baby to fit in this because the legs will still fit. I had issues with the waist. Mr. Neil Okup, I think this quick review video of the Gullu Baby Club diapers was helpful for you guys. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe before you go and hit the bell button to get all the updates, and follow us on our social media. Until our next video, love your babies.